Hi, in this video we are going to see the 352 permanent government lecturer vacancies notification from the state government guys. So this advertisement came from the Higher Education Board and the salary is 35,400 rupees per month. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is a Department of School Education, Education Recruitment Board Punjab, and here you may check down the latest circulars. So the recruitment of 352 lecturers backlog post. Okay, so click on this one, then you will be directed to this web page guys, and here you may check down the subjects: biology, chemistry, commerce, economics, English, geography, Hindi, maths, physics, Punjabi and sociology. And these vacancies, these 352 vacancies are splitted up like this guys: biology 27, chemistry 52, commerce 68, economics 31, English 37, geography 6, Hindi 11, maths 36, physics 51, Punjabi 32 and sociology 1. And coming to the payment, okay, the pay scale you may check down here, 35,400 rupees per month is going to be available. Okay, and while coming to the remaining details, okay, that you may check down in the official website of this one guys. So click on the each and everything. Okay, click on the biology, then you will be directed to one PDF and you may check down. The online application form will start from 5th April 2021 to 26th April 2021, and here the vacancies are represented as per the caste category wise. So total 27 vacancies are there. And coming to the eligibility, the candidate should have passed the MSc Botany, Zoology or Biotech or Biochemistry or Microbiology, Human Biology or Genetics or any other equivalent qualification. But equivalency certificate should be given by the concerned university or institution with at least a 55% of marks, and should have passed the B.Ed with teaching subject science from a recognized university or institution. Right? So these are the qualifications. That means post graduation in these disciplines with 55% of marks, and along with this one the candidate must have the B.Ed. Okay, and similarly coming to the chemistry, so you may check down here. So for the chemistry, the total number of vacancies 52 are there, and the candidate should have passed the MSc Chemistry or Biochemistry or any other equivalent with 55% of marks and B.Ed with teaching subject science. Okay, and similarly while coming to the next subject, okay, so here you may check down, total 68 vacancies are there, and the candidate should have the MCOM or Chartered Accounts, ICWA at least 55% of marks or any other equivalent qualification, along with that one B.Ed from the recognized university. And coming to the next subject, so here the 31 vacancies are there. The candidate must have the MA in economics or applied economics or business economics with at least 55% of marks and have passed the B.Ed. And next, so coming to the English, total 37 vacancies are there, and the candidate should have passed the MA in English with at least 55% of marks and should have the B.Ed with teaching subject English from a recognized university. Right? And coming to the geography, the total number of vacancies are 6. The candidate should have MA or MS in geography with at least 55% of marks and B.Ed with teaching subject social science from a recognized university. And coming to the Hindi, and the same qualifications will be maintained to all the other subjects also. So here the 11 vacancies are there: MA in Hindi with 55% and B.Ed with teaching subject Hindi from a recognized university. Almost the same qualifications are maintained for the maths, physics, Punjabi and the sociology. Okay, so as per the YouTube community guidelines, I couldn't able to provide this website link in the description box of this video guys. So you please check down in the Google, okay, by searching the Department of Lecturer Backlog 352 post, Department of School Education Punjab. Then you will be directed to this one guys. Okay, you will get few pages on the Google. Just click on that one, then you will be directed to here. So if you are interested, then here the click here to register is that. So click on that one, then you will be directed to the online application link, guys. Okay. So if you click on the proceed, then it will proceed to the further details. Okay. So these are the complete details regarding the 352 backlog lecturer post from the Department of School Education, Punjab. And for more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide